Welcome to this tutorial on setting up Google Authenticator 2FA on Crypto.com. Two-factor authentication, or 2FA, is a security process that adds an extra layer of protection to your account by requiring a second form of verification in addition to your password. To begin, open the Crypto.com app and log into your account. Navigate to the Settings or Security section, where you will find the option to enable two-factor authentication. Select Google Authenticator as your preferred 2FA method. Next, you will be prompted to download and install the Google Authenticator app from the App Store or Google Play Store if you haven't already. Once you have installed the app, return to the Crypto.com app and click on the Setup button. You will then be presented with a QR code that you need to scan using the Google Authenticator app. Open the Google Authenticator app, click on the plus icon to add a new account, and select Scan a QR code. Point your camera at the QR code displayed on the Crypto.com app and the Google Authenticator app will automatically link your Crypto.com account. After scanning the QR code, you will be asked to enter the verification code generated by the Google Authenticator app. This code is a series of numbers that changes every few seconds. Enter the code in the Crypto.com app to complete the setup process. It is essential to save the secret key provided by Crypto.com during the setup process. This key will allow you to recover your Google Authenticator account in case you lose access to your device. Store the secret key in a safe and secure location, such as a password manager or a secure note-taking app. Best practices for using Google Authenticator 2FA on Crypto.com include always keeping your device and Google Authenticator app up to date, never sharing your verification codes or secret key with anyone, and regularly reviewing your account activity to detect any suspicious transactions. By following these steps and best practices, you can significantly enhance the security of your Crypto.com account and protect your assets from unauthorized access. Remember to always prioritize security when dealing with sensitive information and financial transactions.